Hey guys, come feed the horses with me. Renegade, hi. Rennie. Hello, pretty girl. You want some brekkie? Yes? Alright. Who's Angie? Angie want brekkie? Rennie. Alright. Make you inside. Okay, let's see if anybody's in here. Alright. Got two. Jack and Rio or Comet. I think that's Rio. Yeah, that's Rio. Oh, hello. Okay, that's Comet. I just turned his face. And on the end, I think that's Coco. Alright, I'll get you guys in a second. Okay, let's feed the two that were out there. Hello, did you meet me inside? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put that right there. So I can just, actually I'm gonna need to scoop them first before I can put supplements in. Alright, let's see. Alright, they're pretty little, so they really don't need that much. So that one will be for my pony, Renegade, right there. And then Angus, he's kind of a chunk. Angus. Okay, I'm gonna get. So, alright, this is the only supplement my pony needs. Salads. Just a baby scoop. And then we're gonna get her some electrolytes. I think those are in the trailer to get them right now. So, yeah. Unless, I'm gonna go check my drawer and see if they're in there. I don't think they will be. Also, excuse, I'm in very ugly pajamas right now. It is kind of early. Alright. Oh, that's his treats. It'll be like a big green, or a big bin with a green top on it. Grip straps. Sorry, I've been eating those for a long time. And then the ones that are up here have too much sugar in them for her. So yeah, but I'm gonna bring these out to the ponies. I might do them outside. Oh, look at her sweat stains. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna need 2 hands to carry these, so I'm gonna bring these outside. Okay, you're gonna ride in Angus's grain. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, this is heavy now. Really hope you don't go ka-chunk on the floor. Okay, we're outside now. Oh jeez, those chickens are falling out. Whoa, Angie, you running! Did you hear him? That was loud. Oh my god, you guys are excited. Okay. Putting those right there. You guys so excited for brekkie. What's on your chin? Okay. Mr. Fly. Ew, there's a bug in there. Angus, guys. Get out of here. We're gonna scoot these back while I grab their kits. I'm gonna try and grab this one without getting ran over. Okay, we will use this one though. Angus, get out of my face. Alright, guys, you're gonna get. Ew, Renegade, do not drink that. Yuck. There's water in there. It rained a good amount not that long ago. I think I'm gonna give Rennie this one, but I'm gonna need to feed Angus first, otherwise he's gonna bully in there. I might do Angus in this one actually because he doesn't have any supplements, so it's fine if it gets kind of wet. Angus, back up. I'm trying to grab something. Oh my gosh. My arm's so short. I'm gonna have to like put my foot in there, and I do not want to get my Ugg stepped on. Don't eat my Ugg. Yuck. Get out of my hair. Angus, you're so annoying. Okay, I'm gonna dump this one ready. Because I'm too lazy to get that one working. I thought it would be too gross, but I think it'll be fine. Oh my gosh, those chickens are so annoying. Jeez. Oh, and I gotta feed the goats too. But yeah. Okay, that's good enough. We're gonna give this to Rennie. She eats plenty of mine. Okay, I'm gonna let that stick, and it just stuck, but like, it's fine. Okay, we're gonna give Angus his. I'm gonna need 2 hands because this is gonna be a mess. Okay, that was not as hard as I thought it would be. Got Angus at his and Rennie at hers. But yeah, I'm gonna go put these scoopers away. And where did I wear my eggs? It's fine. Count. And I'm gonna go scoop the other ones. I think we're gonna do that small pasture. Can't see them. Those three. Chance, Remington, and Reno. Next, these aren't dirty. Jack just pushed that door open. That's little Mark is from their face. See? Yep, he's showing you how he does it. But yeah, he would like his dinner or his breakfast. Be kind, Jack. Okay. I'm grabbing a lot of this because I need to feed kind of a long horses. Right. Put it in a big bucket. Maybe like 4 scoops or so. Then we will go feed them. Okay, we'll be back in a minute. I'm just gonna carry. I need this. Let me know, are you excited? This is wet. Okay. Just go right here. Reno first. This is gonna go with Chance! Come on, Chance! Okay. Oh, Reno. You're pretty. Alright, you're not Reno. It's just oh, that's a tiny scoop. Okay. Alright. There. I'm gonna get Reno some. Yes. Oh my gosh. She's excited. Alright, Reno. Right here. Okay. Next one. Weirdo. Oh, that's pretty cool. Gambler. Somebody. Hello. Hi, pretty. Okay. Don't know how I'm gonna do this. Hello, Barn. Hank. Okay. Wow. Where do I put that? That's water. And then she's gonna open this gate because I don't want to let him out. So I just like pour it over the gate. And I gotta do our last one, Okay, we're gonna go feed the outside ones.